Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share result update of Genc or Genc Next. So before proceeding, did you join my Telegram group? If you haven't, guys, DM me on Instagram or mail me. I'll provide you the link of the Telegram group. Now, why to join that Telegram group? Because there you'll find so many informative videos, so many companies previous year question paper. You'll easily find, and that too free of cost. There are so many material over there on the Telegram group. So if you haven't joined, join me there. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because on this channel you'll find so many informative videos related to companies' recruitment process, their previous year question paper, or how you can crack any interview, the guideline, the guidance of to crack any interview. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I will highly recommend you to please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. So today's agenda is Genc Next result. How many students qualified for the result, and what was the some of the colleges got their result today for Genc Next, yesterday. Now, why student got disqualified? Some student got disqualified, some are on hold, results are on hold. So why this is happening, I will talk about that, and why it's taking time when in posting the result or the interview date or posting the result of Genc. Why it is taking time, we'll discuss about that. Let's talk about Genc Next result. In some of the colleges, I found Genc Next result is out, and how many students have qualified? Suppose the n number of students appeared for the Genc Next, they have taken only 50 per near around 50% or less than 50%. So guys, this was expected before. Also, this was expected that they will not take all the student. Means they will be taking less than 10 students from each colleges. This is the estimated number of strength for Genc Next. So what about the student who disqualified in Genc Next? They don't have to worry about that, because they will be sitting in the Genc interview. So now you got to know, like, those who disqualified, they'll be sitting in Genc interview, and those who qualified, their result will be coming, or their interview date will be coming within 2 weeks, within 1 or 2 weeks. For both Genc and Genc Next, the expected date is now within 1 or 2 weeks. That colleges where the result is declared, that college can expect. Now result is coming slowly. So if your colleges did not get the result, you can wait, because result has started publishing. So it may come anytime for Genc Next result. Now the violations. Some student violated the rule of Cognizant. In code of conduct, there are many rules some students have violated. And yeah, guys, let me tell you, Cognizant is not only just analyzing your result, or no mass recruitment company is not only just analyzing your result. They are also checking how you did the test, how you appear for the test, how you take in the test, like your video and your audio clips. They are analyzing your video or audio clips as well. So if they found any like malpracticing happening on video or anything or audio, they are analyzing each and everything. And so many students got mail like they have to answer Cognizant regarding the violation they did. Means they have to justify themselves, like they were not doing some malpracticing and all that stuff. But yeah, why it has happened, they have to justify themselves. So many students got mail regarding that, the warning mail, why do you did this, like why this malpracticing was happening. And some of the students got disqualified. But yeah, the things are in progress, like the communication between the college and the company is going on regarding the disqualification and the process on hold, the result process on hold. So yeah, this is the main reason why it's taking so much time for the result to be out, because they are not only analyzing your result or cutoff. Before means before 2020 till 2019, or I would say till 2020 batch, what was happening? They have to go to the college, they have to appear for the exam. So Cognizant has to take care of only the result, not how you have appeared for the test, because they trust the college, or they trust the university that nobody will cheat over there. But now what is happening today? We are taking exam from our home. So they are analyzing each and everything, like not only your test result, but also how your video clip, your audio clip, how you appeared for the test, and some of the warnings. They are also analyzing each and everything. So that is the reason why things are getting delayed. And the second reason for Cognizant Genc interview delayed, because guys, they are waiting for Genc next result. Then because some students are getting disqualified in Genc next, and and that student who has disqualified Genc next, they are going to appear for Genc interview. Now if they are going to appear for Genc interview, then the interview date for Genc who are already going to appear for Genc plus the next disqualified student, both interview will be together. So that's why they were waiting for the Genc next result. So the disqualified student plus the Genc next student who are already like qualified or the result will be out, they will all together, they will club together the result, and the interview will be taking place at the same time for both the student. That's why please wait for the Genc next result, and for its completion. If their interview date will come, then you are good to go with your interviews, because the Cognizant will not separately conduct interview for Genc next student. If somebody is disqualified, so they will not separately conduct their Genc interview. So their interview will be together with your interview, those who are not qualified for Genc next. Now I just hope I have made you clear. Like, that's why it is taking time. They are waiting for Genc next result to be out. So both the student, everybody will be sitting together in the interview, and interview date will be started. It will be getting start to release. They will start releasing the interview date. So this is the main reason. And the second reasoning is they are analyzing your video clips and audio clips, and they are sending a list of students who have found with malpracticing and all that stuff. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was helpful for you, please press thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.